Too bad. All right, so for example number 2, more of the same stuff. It's a story problem, so I'll read it, and then we'll write out the equations. It says, a music store offers piano lessons at a discount for customers buying new pianos. The cost of the lessons and a one-time fee of materials, including music, CD, software, etc., are shown in an advertisement. What's the cost of each lesson and the one-time fee for materials? And so they have this image, and it says 6 lessons equals 300, right? And then it says 12 lessons, 480. Now what they're saying is, and this is where it gets a little confusing, they're saying that you're going to have a cost of each lesson, right? So there's a per lesson cost, and then there is a one-time fee. Now the fee is for like registration and buying your books and stuff. Now what I need to do is solve for what is the cost and how much is the one-time fee. Now what do you guys notice up there?
There's 2 variables.
2 variables. So what will I need?
2 equations.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
So now, this is easier than you would think. Let's look at the first scenario. How many lessons are there? 6. So I'm going to say 6 times C. We don't know what the cost is.
Equal.
And then there's a one-time fee. So what do I say?
Plus F.
Plus F.
Equals 300.
All right. Now let's look at the second scenario.
12C.
12C.
Plus F. Equals 480.
Now this one's real easy to solve.
Yeah.
This one's easy to solve. We could do substitution or elimination. I'm going to do elimination, but I'm going to do this, okay? I'm going to take this first equation and put it on the bottom, but I'm going to subtract it. So if I subtract this, I'm going to subtract 6, I'm going to subtract F, and I'm going to subtract 300. Now the reason I did that, what's F minus F?
0.
0.
Nothing. Nada.
What's 12C minus 6?
6C.
6C. What's 480 minus 300?
180.
Equals 180. Okay, cool. So what's C?
30.
30. So the cost per lesson, oh, it's 30, right?
Yep.
So the cost per lesson is 30. Now how do I find out what the one-time fee is?
Plug it into the original equation.
Plug it into one of the original equations. So if I said 6 times C, which is 30, plus F equals 300, okay? Well, I'm going to have to solve for F. So I've got 180 plus F equals 300
120.
minus 180 minus 180, and I get F is equal to 120. Now I could verify this by plugging this into the second equation. So here we're going to do all algebra. Now, the second equation, 12C plus F equals 480. Should work out if I say 12 times 30 plus 120 should equal 480. 12 times 30 is 360 plus 120. Whoops, what does that equal? It does equal 480, right? Works out good, right?